Morning children, let us continue with the second lesson. So open your book.
So before we start our class, we are going to have a small recap of the lesson. So what is the lesson name? Tote ka Janamdin. So what is the story all about? Yes, the story is all about two parrots. Okay, so in a park there are many trees. There were many trees. What are the trees? Anar, Amrud, Bear, etc. Adi means etc. So there were many kinds of trees in the park, and on those trees many birds were living and they had a nest in it. Okay, so every day they used to eat the fruits from the tree, and it was very tasty also. So now one day what happens, the spring season completes and a summer season comes. So now we get mango trees. Mango, we get lots of mangoes, right? So what this parrot planned, now these parents are totally depending on the mangoes. So parrot is planned to celebrate the birthday. So what has she planned on his birthday? She planned to call all his friends, and she said that she will, with this mango, she will prepare lots of dishes for their friends. Yes or no, children? Okay. Once next, the all birds are coming and helping them in preparing for for their birthday. Yes or no, children? So what they doing now? The koel says she's going to sing a song. Yes or no, children? Next, peacock. Peacock, what she says? I will dance. Next, Mana and Goraya, sparrow. So what they say, will clean the place where the birds are going to sit. Next, they all cleaned, and after that parrot is preparing lots of dishes, delicious dishes. Now, so everything is ready. Everything is ready for the birthday party. Now we'll see what is going to happen next. Okay, children. So we stop till सब तैयारियां हो गई. So we stop till there. Let us continue. Now, आम के वृक्ष की ऊंची डाल पर एक कौवा रहता था. So on that mango tree, आम का वृक्ष means mango tree. On the mango tree, ऊंची डाल पर mean on the top of the branch. डाल means branch. एक कौवा रहता था. So one crow. Kauwa means one crow. So one crow was sitting on the top of the branch. ऊंची डाल means top branch. Next, वह बार बार जांग कर देख रहा था. So वह बार बार जांग कर देख रहा था means this crow, he was seeing everything whatever was happening down. Jankar meaning it is peek out. Okay, so this crow was peeking out and she was looking down and what was happening below. Next, तभी सब पक्षी जन्मदिन की दावत खाने आने लगे. So at the same time all the birds, सब पक्षी means all birds, तभी means at that time, जन्मदिन की दावत, so they came for the birthday party for eating the food. Okay, next, पहले कोयल आई. Now first कोयल, now the कोयल has come first. Next, फिर मोर, मैना और गोरैया. So next, who came? Peacock. Myna is, you know, Myna. Goraya means sparrow. Next, Kauwa, काव काव मैं भी हूँ. Now the crow is saying that I am also here. काव काव मैं भी हूँ means, मैं भी हूँ means I am also. Be means also. So I am also there. काव काव means he is making the sound. Next, तोती. तोते, क्या तुमने कौवे को जन्मदिन पर नहीं बुलाया? So now तोती. So the female parrot is asking to the parrot, you didn't call. क्या तुमने means you didn't call the crow for the birthday party. So he is saying वह हमारा पड़ोसी है. इसी वृक्ष पर रहता है, उसे भी बुला लो. So now this toti is saying वह, that is वह means they are talking about the crow. Crow is हमारा पड़ोसी. हमारा पड़ोसी means what? He is our neighbor. पड़ोसी means neighbor. So he is our neighbor. इसी वृक्ष पर रहता है. So he stays in the same tree. उसे भी बुला लो. So you call him also. उसे भी बुला लो means call him. बुलाना means calling. उसे means him. So call him also. So now here what he is saying? He is saying that this toti is asking to the parrot that why you didn't call the crow. He is our neighbor and he stays in a same tree. Okay, so call him also. Next, tota, nahi. So he is saying nahi. Why he is saying nahi now? कौवा किसी की मदद नहीं करता. Now this parrot is saying I will not call him. Why? Because he never helps anyone. मदद means help. किसी की मदद नहीं करता means he never helps anyone. किसी means anyone. Next, काऊ काऊ की कर्कश आवाज से सबको डराता है. Now he is saying, who the parrot is saying, काऊ काऊ. He makes the sound of काऊ काऊ and he आवाज से सबको डराता है. डराता है means he makes everybody afraid of him by making the sound of काऊ काऊ. Understand? कर्कश आवाज means the sound of crow. Understand? Next, जपटे मारते रहता है. जपटे मारते रहता है means grabbing. Grab or grabbing. Okay, so he always used to take others' food. That is what this parrot is saying. Next, झगड़ा करता है. So he always fights with everyone. झगड़ा means fighting. Okay, fight. Next, मैं उसे नहीं बुलाऊंगा. So I will not call him. नहीं बुलाऊंगा means I will not call him. Next, उधर कोयल ने गाना शुरू किया. Now the कोयल started singing a song. उधर means that. कोयल ने गाना means song. शुरू means start. So he started singing the song. Next, मैना ढोलक बजाने लगी. So मैना started playing the ढोलक. ढोलक is nothing but the drums. Next, मोर नाचने लगा. Peacock started dancing. Next, कौवा जांग जांग कर सब देख रहा था. So now the crow is seeing everything whatever is happening down. Okay, जांग कर means already I told it is peek out. Peek out. Okay, peek out. Next, कौवा काव काव. कोई आया है. Now the crow is making a sound of काव काव and he is saying कोई आया है. कोई आया है मतलब someone has come. Aya means come. Koi means someone. Someone has come. Next, तोती. देखो कौवा आने वाले मेहमानों की सूचना दे रहा है. Now the female parrot is saying to the parrot that देखो, see, कौवा आने वाले मेहमानों की सूचना दे रहा है. आने वाले मेहमानों means the guest. मेहमानों means guest. मेहमानों means guest. आने वाले मेहमान. So the guest who is coming, he is giving the information. सूचना means information. Okay. So he is giving the information about the guest who is coming. Next, वह भी तो मदद कर रहा है. So he is also helping us. मदद means helping. So he is also helping us. उसे भी बुला लो. So call him also. Understand? So he is giving information about the guest and she is saying that he is also helping us. So call him also for the birthday party. Next, बुलबुल. बधाई हो. जन्मदिन की बधाई हो. The bulbul is nothing but nightingale. So who is bulbul here? Nightingale. So she is saying बधाई हो. So she is wishing the parrot. बधाई हो means she is wishing the parrot. जन्मदिन की बधाई हो. So she is wishing about birthday. Next, तोता कौवे को बुला लाया. So now parrot, what he did, she called the crow also. कौवे को बुला लाया means he called the parrot, sorry, crow. Next, कौवा जन्मदिन की बधाई हो. Now the crow is also wishing the parrot about the birthday. Next, सबने खूब फल खाए. So everybody, सबने means everybody, खूब फल खाए means they ate many fruits. Okay. Next, कौवे ने खीर खाई. So the crow also ate the delicious dish. What is that? Kheer. I already told what do you mean by kheer. Yes, payasam, right? Next, अब तो कौवा भी उनका मित्र बन गया. Now what they are saying, now the crow also became a friend of parrot. Okay, अब उनका मित्र means friend बन गया. So he also became the friend for those birds. Next, गाना बजाना हुआ means they were singing and dancing. Next, सब बहुत प्रसन्न थे. So now everybody is very happy. हाँ, आज तोते का जन्मदिन था. So today was parrot's birthday. So we all enjoyed our birthday party. So this is what happened in this birthday party. So I hope you all enjoyed the story. Yes or no, children? Now let us see the meaning of this lesson. So see the meaning. Baghecha, garden. Kotar, hole. Gana, song. Next, sajana, decorate. Next, karkash, this is half r, karkash, harsh. Next, vriksh, half r, vriksh, tree. Next, mausam, weather. Next, नाच मतलब dance. Next, पड़ोसी neighbor. Next, ढोलक drum. Next, घोंसले मतलब nest. Next, दावत party. Next, साफ clean. Next, मेहमान guest. Next, present present मतलब happy. Understand? Once shall we revise it again? Baghecha, garden. Children, repeat after me. Baghecha, garden. Kotar, hole. Gana, song. Sajana, decorate. Karkash, harsh. Vriksh, tree. Mausam, weather. नाच dance. पड़ोसी neighbor. ढोलक drum. घोंसले nest. दावत party. साफ clean. मेहमान guest. Present happy. Okay children, so today your homework is write the meanings in your fair note. I will give you the notes, so refer the notes and you can complete it, children. Thank you.